Now, as I am discussing about the while loop, in the while loop, I have shown you how to find out that infinite phase of the while loop. Now, today I am going to show you one program. The program is that where the function has been described with a certain parameter. Now, function with a parameter. That means combination of two particular things. One is a function, one is a parameter. Now, function is that, as I have shown you in the first program when I have done it, the hello program. In the hello program, I have created a function of hello world and I have called that particular function. So here I have created one function. How to create a function? Def, D-E-F, okay? D-E-F, then what? Function, F-U-N-C2. I have given it F-U-N-C2, the name, okay? Then Fn. So Fn is my function. So this particular function, what I am saying, that print Fn plus is from Shiliguri. Now let us run the program. Let us visualize the output. Okay, there is a okay. Now let us visualize the output, run it. We will going to find that it will going to give us some of the output regarding to the base of it. See it now. What are the output it is giving to us? Number one, the name, first name that I have given, that Shunil. Now what happened to Shunil? Shunil plus is from Shiliguri. Okay, is from Shiliguri. Next name I have given Raju. So Raju, then Fn, it is calling the function. Okay, it is calling this function func2. So how I am declaring it here, you see it very nicely, func2. Okay, I am taking this one here, func2. So func2, that means func2, as I am declaring this part, that means it is calling this particular function here, and when it call this particular function here, with that it is calling that Fn. That means it is going and putting the value into Fn. As soon as it put the value into Fn, based on this particular thing, based on this particular function, what will happen? You find it, the first value has been called. Now this is the value I have given here, what is a character field. That means it is a character variable fields has been specified here. So in this particular character variable space, as soon as I call this particular character, what I have done, that Fn plus the next words or combination of words or a part of a sentence that has been specified here. So that is been attached with your first part. Similarly, in the second also you have seen it, that I have called the second name has given Raju in function 2. So similarly it called Raju, and with that it added is from Shiliguri. Thirdly, I have given the function to another name, that is Shubham. So it called the Shubham, and as it called the Shubham, okay, as it called the Shubham, it add this particular Shubham with the part of Shiliguri, is from Shiliguri. So this is how I am giving here one function. Function is func2. So func2, how it is been traced? It is been traced with fn variable. So as soon as you call this particular thing, that it will go into the fn, and that fn is called here. Now how the fn will be called? What is the value that is put in fn? Okay, what is the value that is put in fn, that is called here, and calling this particular value, you find it, the work will be completed. So this is the way, this is how you can use in your program the function with a certain pattern of parameters, any pattern parameters that you want to use, but your concept for using those the parameters that has been used here, those the parameter you find has been used here, should be in a proper phase. That means you should know how you will going to use the parameters, how you, this is your parameters, and how the parameters is called, this is the parameters, and this parameters is called by the function values. So as soon as the function value is calling func2 is calling, it first take the first value, okay, then secondly it took the second value, and thirdly it come in the third phase and took the third value of the function. So each of the value it is tallying. That means here you can see, you can find it that without defining any loop, I haven't defined any loop here. Only